Test. Hello everyone, welcome to the OneClass channel. My name is Andrew and I'm a university student studying mathematics and statistics at University of Toronto. And today we'll be going over some commonly asked mathematics questions at both the high school level and college level. And if you need some homework help or tutoring, check out the links in the description below. So now let's jump into our question. Right. So the first question is asking us how to add a whole number and a proper fraction. I'll just move this part a little bit down. Cool. Okay. So before actually talking about this question, let's first define what are whole numbers and what are proper fraction. So whole numbers just a set of numbers including 0 and counting numbers. So examples could be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, or maybe also 0 included. And in terms of proper fraction, so this is a fraction that is less than 1. That will be the first condition, and the numerator is less than denominator. Right. So proper fraction, it has two conditions. First, it has to be less than 1, and also the numerator has to be less than the denominator. In other words, the top number has to be smaller than the bottom number. So some examples could be 3 over 4, 2 over 3, 10 over 1,000, yeah. Or let's say just a 1 over 2 for now. Okay, so now we know what whole numbers are and what proper fractions are, so we can do our calculation. So we want to adding a whole number and a proper fraction. So the first thing, we just simply combine the whole number and the proper fraction, which means we're just adding them together. And after we got our result, this combined fraction will be called the mixed number. Okay. So in case a mixed number is converted to an improper fraction and multiply the denominator by the whole number plus the numerator, and the result will be the numerator and the denominator is copied as denominator. I'll write this sentence down first and then I'll use an example to explain. A mixed number is converted to an improper fraction multiply the denominator by the whole number plus the numerator. Result will be the numerator and the denominator is copied as denominator. Right. So I'll use an example to explain. Let's just see the junior tutor's example. So we had 2/3 and 5. So we just simply combine the numbers first. So 2/3 plus 5, we'll write it as 5 and 2/3. And if we want to convert the mixed number to an improper fraction, we need to multiply 3 and 5, and the result will be added to 2, and the 3 is copied as a denominator, since we already have a 3 in our question as denominator. So 5 times 3 is 15, and 15 plus 2 is 17, where 17 is our numerator. So our final answer will be 17/3. And also there's another way of explaining this. So we still have 5 plus 2/3, right? And now we want to maintain 3 as the denominator, since we already have a 3 in our question. So we want to convert 5 into some sort of fraction that had the denominator as 3. Or in other words, we want to convert 5 to a fraction that at the bottom with 3. And so we just move 3 to the left side. So we have 5 times 3 is equal to k. So k will be 15. So now we convert 5 into 15/3. So as you can see, we have 5 here, and also 5 is equal to 15/3. So our question actually converted to 15/3 plus 2/3. Since we have the same denominator, we maintain as 3, and we do the adding on the numerator, which will be 15 plus 2, and give us 17/3 as our final answer. So either way works. Yeah. So let's leave a comment here. Great work. And that is correct.